Making a wish, understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, making a wish. This is a common expression in English, often filled with hope and imagination. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding this phrase will add a charming touch to your English conversations. So, let's dive in. Making a wish refers to the act of silently asking for something you desire, usually while doing a specific action, like blowing out candles on a birthday cake or seeing a shooting star. It's a moment filled with hope and imagination, where you express a desire for something to happen, even if it might not be realistic. The concept of making a wish has deep roots in various cultures and histories. It often involves mythology, folklore, and superstitions. For example, wishing on a star is an age-old tradition, symbolizing hope and desire. Understanding this cultural background can give you a deeper appreciation of the phrase and its use in English. When using this phrase in conversation, it's often in a light-hearted or hopeful context. You might say, "I'm making a wish for good weather this weekend," or, "He made a wish before blowing out his birthday candles." It's a phrase that adds a touch of whimsy and optimism to your language. Making a wish has been referenced in many works of literature and media, highlighting its universal appeal. From fairy tales to modern movies, this concept is used to convey hope, dreams, and sometimes, the power of belief. Recognizing these references can enhance your understanding of English culture and expressions. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has illuminated the charming phrase, making a wish, for you. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about understanding the culture and context behind them. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to make a wish for your English learning journey. See you in the next video.